Red light's on. Good. I'm Ben O'Donoghue and I'm the executive chef and owner of Billykart Kitchen in Annerley. We were doing cooking for chemo, demonstrating recipes for people or carers that are experiencing the effects of chemo or going through the process of chemo.
I'm a former cancer patient and a survivor at ALL, acute lymphoblastic leukemia. I've been okay for almost 15 years now. And I found that I used to have very specific desires in terms of like what I felt like eating or what I didn't feel like eating, and they typically tended to be very narrow. So I didn't want spicy Thai things. I wanted like a simple mushroom risotto or some pasta, and I often also needed to really be wary of how I could get more calories in. So it's not that simple to feed yourself, and when you're hungry you've got to eat, and when you're not hungry you've got no choice, you can't eat.
When people are going through chemo, the options they're often given as foods that are going to support them through the process are often quite limiting. We're trying to get people away from the idea of just milk drinks and supplementary drinks. That's the only way you can supplement a good diet. We're just trying to give them a bit of diversity in what's available to them.
Food is it's an important part of your treatment, and you've got to do the best you can when you can.